Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So today we will be having some practice of surface area of the cylinder, and here is the question: find the surface area of a cylinder pipe whose height is 15 centimeter and length is 24 centimeter. That means there is a pipe and we have 24 centimeter in the diameter. Height is given and length is given, radius is given. This is radius. Radius is 15 centimeter. So radius is 15, that means diameter is 30, right? So if I am writing diameter here, sorry for fumble. So here is the radius given, right? So radius is 15 centimeter. We need radius, so it's not a problem. We will be having, if its diameter is 15, this is diameter. So we can find out the radius. So diameter is 15. We can find out the radius, which is 7.5, right? So there is a pipe. Find the surface area of a cylinder pipe whose diameter is 15 cm and length is 24. So we remember from our last lecture that surface area is equals to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, right? So we have 2 times 3.14 r square, r is 7.5 as we said earlier, plus 2 pi 3.14 times r, which is 7.5, times h, which is, in our case h is L, but it's okay, it's the same thing, because pipe height, if you make it a vertical, it becomes height, but if it is horizontal, like its length, right? So do not confuse with that. If L is given, L of the pipe, length of the pipe, right? If you put this pipe vertical, it becomes height. So that means we are good. So we have L instead of H, so we can use them simultaneously, right? So 2 times this will become, multiply with each other, 176.62, plus if you multiply these, the bottom line, that will become 565.2, and if you add them up, you will get 741.82, and the unit of surface area is centimeter square, right? So this is our surface area of this pipe. So one more time I can repeat it so that the students can have it's like firm in their head that what we need to do. Find the surface area of a cylinder whose diameter is 15 centimeter and length is 24 centimeter. So we know the formula from our previous lecture that surface area is equals to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. And how we did derive in the last lecture that we open it up as a net of the cylinder, and the net of the cylinder consists of 2 circles and 1 rectangle, and then we put the dimensions and the formula. For circle is pi r square, so 2 circles is 2 pi r square, right? So we did in the last lecture. So here we just have to plug in the value, memorize the formula, and you get the answer. Find the height of a cylinder. Here is the height, right? So this is one of the cylinder. So what we have to have is find the height of the cylinder, right? So we have h unknown. Any variable can be unknown. We know that in this formula, r, h, and surface area, right? 3 variables, or volume. If there is no surface area, there must be a volume. So this question has got volume, right? So we will be dealing with volume, and we know formula for volume is pi r square h, right? This is the volume. V is equals to pi r square h. So it depends what is given. You have to just go read the question carefully, write down the formula, write down the given data, and then plug in the values in the formula. So what we are doing here, our volume is given, right? So volume is given, V is equals to 706.5 centimeter cube, right? And we have to find out what? H. So we will plug it in here, and where is the radius? Radius is 5 centimeter. So radius is 5 centimeter, right? So radius is also given 5 centimeter. So there are 3 variables. 2 of them are known, so we can find out the third variable, which is h of the cylinder. So 706.5 is equals to 3.14 r square, that is 5 square, times h, and this h we need to find out. So we will shuffle the variables and the constants here and there, and then calculate our h. So if you calculate this portion, 5 5 is 25, 25 times 3.14 is 78.5 times h. What we are calculating here? H. So h is equals to 706.5. You know that it's multiplying with h. So on the other side of the equation, it will go and divide. That is the rule what we have learned before. And h is equals to, if we simplify this, that becomes 9 centimeter. So height of this cylinder is 9 centimeter. So student must remember that how many variables are there in the formula or the given equation, right? Whatever you are using. So if you have the other data, one of the variable is missing, so we can find out the missing variable. Here the missing variable was surface area. Here the missing variable for the volume was h. Now here again in the third question, find the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is again missing. If its diameter is 8 centimeter, so its diameter is 8 centimeter, and its surface area is given. So when surface area is given, you will write surface area is given 979.68, and what else is given? Radius is given. Radius is, diameter is given. Diameter is 8, right? So you have to be careful what is given. Diameter is 8 centimeter. So actually I can write here radius as well. So radius is 4 centimeter. So this is my cylinder, and what I need to find out is height of the cylinder, right? So surface area is given. Surface area formula, we will be using surface area formula, which is, you can repeat it with me. I am revising it so many times so that students can have it fixed or help it to memorize it. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. This surface area is known, which is 976.68 is equals to 2 pi r square, 2 times 3.14 times r square. What is r? 4, right? So 4 square plus 2 pi 3.14 times h. H is my r, first is r, so times 4, and h. H is my, in this whole thing, h is my unknown. So I am going to find out h. So let us simplify this. 796.68, right? This is my surface area is equals to, if you multiply 4 4 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 3.14 is 148, plus, if you multiply 2 times 3.14 times 4, that becomes 25.12 h. Now I can shift this 100.48 to the other side of the equation. So 796.68 minus 100.48 will be equals to 25.12, or I can rewrite it here on the bottom because there is lack of space. So I will write it here, right? 796.68 is equals to, minus, I am shifting this whole number 100.48 to the other side of the equation, and then I have 25.12 h on the right hand side of the equation. So if you subtract these two, 796.68 minus 100, you will be having 879.2, which is equals to 25.12 h. Now what, this number is multiplying with h, so I have to remove this number to isolate h. So 25.12 comes to the denominator, or dividing it, 79.2 divided by 25.12, and I can calculate h here, and my h will be equals to 35 centimeter, and that is my answer. So keep going, keep revising the formula, see the questions, what is given, how do you plug in the values. If diameter is given, do not hesitate to make the radius quickly, and then you can plug it in the values in the formula. If it is only volume is given, you use pi r square. If surface area is given, you will be using this formula. So you have to remember both formulas: volume of a cylinder, pi r square h; surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button and thumbs up. Thank you for watching.